guys, today is we're gonna go to task number 10, day 5 of the advent of cybersecurity of TryHackMe. Learning objectives for today will be these ones, and it's more about remote access services. Some of them that some of us probably that are not in this field, cybersecurity. But for the new beginners, SSH, RDP are one of the most used services out there for accessing other systems. This service mostly uses not only by system administrator, but for other technicians in the area. We're gonna be doing some attacking passwords using. They give us here some word lists that we're gonna be using for this service or for this task. But before that, let me show you guys. Because normally, when we start doing this, the word lists are probably zipped. Normally in Kali Linux they already, I think, by every update, you're gonna have to unzip it. Let's first check if our word list is zipped or not. Share word list. Now let's use the command cd. So we go into the file. cd means change directory. So like this. So we type command ls. As you can see here, we have this one, which I think is probably comparing to the one that we're gonna find around here. This one is it because it's a larger file. For to unzip this, you can use the command unzip word list, and then you can unzip the file. But I think for this task we're gonna use the Rocky text here for brute forcing not only the VNC, but we can use with the Hydra application. Let's go back to copy too fast there. Okay. Yeah. Two ways we can do this. I'm going to be typing. Let's see. Okay. Let's try to see what they want us to do in this task. So it's going to be very fast. So use Hydra to find the VNC password of the target with IP address. This is the IP address of the machine that we're attacking. And what is the password? Check out what we do here. VNC server does not use username. If we had a username, we could use, after we do our recon and try to find out the username, we could use Hydra. We give us a username over there, but I don't believe that is the case. But I'm just doing this part for showing Alexander, or let's just try Mark, if it's gonna work. Yeah. So most of the time, in order to type really quick, we probably can do just type the two first letters and then we tab, and then the file is going to be there. If it's text file, if it's a zip file, it's always gonna stop here, and then we're gonna have to probably do T, and then it's going to fill up all the remaining. So let's try text, because we are attacking a VNC. This time we're going to work with VNC, because we see here in the example that they use SSH, but because we're going to be connecting VNC, let's see if Mark has a user that uses Mark over there. This is for demonstration purpose, but we're going to do right later on, just for showing. So I'm going to do VNC column, and then I'm going to 10.10.4 37 dash capital V for the balls. Start enter. Let's see, we have that. Let's try with Alexander here. See if we will be able to find there. No, we can't. But let's so let's go save the task. I will be demonstrating to you guys now how we're gonna do this. Use Hydra to find VNC password with the target. This, okay. So Hydra here. And then we wait, see if we get any results. In a normal, if we will perform this in a real case scenario, this will probably take a longer time. Just have in mind that this task can take up to a day, depending on how powerful the systems with pen testers or any other actors have on their disposal. Let's see if we can find something. Almost there. The other one we want to say using the NC client and the attack box connect to the target. If you're attacking, yes, what's the flag on the target screen? Okay. This doesn't take much longer. If it was RDP, you only have to, if you know RDP, we could have written here RDP and the target IP address, and you have the same results. okay, for so we get this password, copy, this is the password, I believe so. There you go. So now let's try to connect to the Lumina here. Lumina. We cancel this part here. Let me show there. You have to be very careful because you need to change here to VNC because this password is for the VNC, including IP. Okay. The password is already there. Selected now. Pass. Okay. And I believe the password will be shown somewhere around here on screen. There you go. This is password. So right here. Here. And byte walk.